Share thoughts and comments on course topics in discussions. This tutorial shows how to navigate discussions in Brightspace learning environment. Discussions are your course message boards, which are organized into forums and topics. Forums are categories that organize topics. Click on a topic to view and reply to threads. Note: this area may look different depending on the view options available at your organization and which one you choose in Settings. Click Start a new thread to create a new message. Enter a subject and message. You can also attach files and make audio recordings for your message. Click Post to add your message to the discussion. Click the Threads menu if you want to edit, delete, or complete other actions. Click the subscribed icon to subscribe to and unsubscribe from threads. You can also subscribe to a forum or topic. Click the context menu for the forum or topic and select Subscribe. Then select a notification method and click Subscribe to confirm. You can customize how you receive notifications for all discussion forums and topics by accessing notifications from your personal menu. Share thoughts and comments on course topics in discussions.